Control structures are statements that we can use as programmers to alter the order of executed commands. Now, typically when we write a script, our computer will start at the top at line 1 and execute those commands, and then move on to line 2, line 3, and so on. But there are certain situations when we don't want the computer to execute things sequentially. One example would be if we write a command or a set of commands that we want to repeat several times. This is where we're going to use something called a loop. Another example would be if we have some commands that we only want to execute under certain conditions. Here we're going to give the computer some criteria to test and check. This is called a conditional statement. The last example we'll look at is when we're going to write our own function. Here is where our computer will be running a program and it will see a function and pause and jump over to another script and execute things that are over in this other script, and then return back to the previous program and continue on from there. We've already looked at using several of the built-in functions in MATLAB. Here, we're going to write our own functions. They'll behave in a very similar way. By using these control structures, we're going to be able to start to create some very cool kinds of audio effects.